In today's video, I'm going to teach you to log into Halifax mortgage account. Let's make this simple and stress-free. Before you begin, make sure you have a stable internet connection and your login details to hand. You can do this either on the Halifax online banking website or through the Halifax mobile app, so pick whichever you're most comfortable with. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official Halifax online banking website, or launch the Halifax app on your phone or tablet. If you're using a browser, glance at the address bar to confirm you're on the genuine Halifax site and look for the padlock icon, which indicates a secure connection. It's a small step, but it helps keep your information safe. On the homepage or app landing screen, look for the sign in button and give it a tap or click. You'll be taken to a secure login page. Here, enter your username and your password carefully. Take your time to avoid typos, especially if you're on a mobile keyboard. Halifax may also ask for your memorable information. This is an extra security layer where you'll usually be asked for specific characters from a piece of information you chose when you registered, such as selected letters or numbers from a memorable word. Only enter the characters requested on the screen, nothing more. If something doesn't look right as you log in, like an unexpected pop-up asking for your full password, stop and check you're still on the official site or in the official app, and if you've forgotten any of your details, use the on-screen help or recovery links provided by Halifax rather than trying to guess repeatedly. Once you're signed in, navigate to the Hello Home section. You'll typically find it within your account menu or mortgage area. Hello Home is your dedicated hub for everything related to your Halifax mortgage, designed to put the most important tools in one place. Inside Hello Home, you can manage your mortgage day to day. That includes tracking your interest rate and keeping an eye on how it may affect your repayments, viewing past and upcoming payments to stay on top of your schedule, and exploring your current deal. If a better option is available, this is also where you can look into switching deals. Take a moment to browse each section so you know exactly where to find what you need next time. And that's it. Once you've reached Hello Home, you're fully logged in and ready to manage your Halifax mortgage account with confidence. Keep your details secure and you'll be able to return anytime to stay in control of your mortgage.